It is like after doing kumbhak for a certain time, I have increased frequency of intercourse. Also, some issues which were quite there at quite earlier stages have come up again. So, how
Yes,
to tackle these things?
yes, yes. More aliveness, I've said, will pull out a lot of things from your life. Frequent intercourse is not bad, but you need to see that you do not drain off yourself. It is not bad. It is uh, what you say, a sign of a little more aliveness that has happened. So it is not bad, but you should ensure that you don't drain yourself off. बिल्कुल drain off नहीं करना. Otherwise, what will happen? Your body will lose energy and the recovery factor will slow down. Recovery जल्दी होती है ना, वो इतनी जल्दी recovery नहीं हो पाए. Lot of things from the past will crop up, will pop up. क्योंकि आपने उसे ठंडे बस्ते में डाल दिया है, आपने कारपेट के अंदर घुसा दिया. नहीं नहीं. This is not how you should go away or go ahead in your life. No. Face it, settle it down, and then move ahead. There is nothing called as bad or good. जीवन के terms में, in the terminology of life, in the vocabulary of life, there is nothing called bad or good. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. It is in your mind, something is bad, something is good. Every episode is an episode. Every act is an act, be good or bad. So nature doesn't treat anything good or bad. It is only intensity with which you do things. Nature can look at that only. So if you do a murder also, or if you address the whole nation, they are both the same thing in terms of nature. क्योंकि मर्डर करने के लिए भी आपको बहुत इंटेंसिटी चाहिए, और टू एड्रेस मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल यू नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ इंटेंसिटी. ये दोनों बराबर है. Maybe for your wife or for your husband, something may not be appropriate. ऐसा हो सकता कि आपके लिए, आपकी वाइफ के लिए, आपके हस्बैंड के लिए, आपकी फैमिली के लिए, there are certain things which is not appropriate, certain things which are appropriate. So you also want to fit into their idea of things, which is okay because you have committed yourself to it. But आपको वो चीज तो एक्सेप्ट करके उसको रिलीज करना होगा. पुरानी चीज जो भी है आपके अंदर आती है, तो you'll have to embrace it, accept it, come in terms with it, and it will get released. It will not get released if you push it down. कभी नहीं, वो और बढ़ के आएगा. So when you do kumbhak, that is what I said. It is also a process of breaking certain tendencies that you have taken out. What we call as, in a broader term, this word, which is now an English word nowadays, karma. So the karma will play its course, and that is not bad at all. Karma has to play its course and should play its course. So what you call as prarabdha, the karma with which you are living, and the karma which you have created on the top of prarabdha, will open up, खुलेंगी और खत्म होंगी. Just accept it. Don't try to push it down. दोबारा से इसको फेंकने की कोशिश ना करें. If it comes up, get in terms with it. ठीक है? So पुराना कोई रिलेशनशिप है, go and finish it. मतलब उसको पूरे तरीके से उसको तर्पण करो ना. Rest it. पुरानी टेंडेंसी है, रेस्ट इट. उसका तर्पण करना पड़ेगा आपको. प्रॉब्लम कहां आती है? वेयर प्रॉब्लम कम्स व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग ऑन टू बोट्स. अगर दोनों नाव में चलने की कोशिश करें फिर तो गिरेंगे. So there will be lot of things which will come up unknowingly some will get destroyed. कई चीजें तो ऐसे डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगी आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. बट जो बहुत इंटेंस है, जिनका जोर ज्यादा है, इट विल पॉप अप, निकलेंगे. निकलने दीजिए. एक्सेप्ट द होल पास्ट. डोंट ट्राई टू बी गुड और बैड. ऐसा काम नहीं होता कुछ. जस्ट एक्सेप्ट योर वॉट एवर हैज हैपेंड. एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, इट विल ड्रॉप एंड यू विल मूव अहेड.